Hi, let's bake some bread. First, you have to make a special paste. Mix flour and water, heat it, and mix it really well. That's it. Easy. Okay, now get your ingredients. Mix the dry ingredients, add the water and paste. Keep kneading, add water if you need to. The dough should be soft. When it comes together, add the butter. Knead for 15 minutes. Shape it into a ball and let it rise. Now you can shape it. Let it rise again. Now bake it. Look, it's nice and brown. Let it cool. Look, it's so soft and yummy.